Thanks for checking out my Swift 3 course. My name is Nick Walter and I love teaching Swift. I've been teaching it ever since it came out in 2014. And since that time, Swift has blown up. It's the fastest growing programming language in the world. In December of 2015, Swift was officially open source. Now we're seeing Swift in all sorts of places. It's showing up as a server-side programming language. It's on Linux, it's on Windows, and of course Mac, but Swift is everywhere. This is a great time to start learning Swift before it takes over the whole world. In my course, I walk you through every essential part of Swift 3. And I'm someone that believes that you learn best by doing. So the structure of my course is I will teach you something in a lecture, and then I will immediately have you apply that in an exercise. There's no better way to learn this stuff. I created this course with two groups of people in mind. The first group are those that have no programming experience. Maybe you've heard about Swift, you've always wanted to try programming. This is the perfect course for you. I'm a self-taught developer, so I know what it feels like to start at square zero. I give really good explanations, and as I said before, I give you exercises so that you make sure that you're learning as you go. Now the next group are those that have some Swift experience. Maybe you've worked with Swift 1 or 2. I have a whole section dedicated in this course to teaching you everything new about Swift 3 and some great refreshers if you just need a little bit of help. Still can't decide if this is the right course for you? Remember, Udemy has a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't like this course for any reason. Well, I hope you're as excited about Swift 3 as I am. Join me and be a part of the world's fastest growing programming language. See you in the course!